Old doctor's remedy. We used to mix castor oil and baking soda to treat these 14 diseases. In the world of natural medicine, remedies passed down through generations often become folklore, yet many of them have scientific backing and were once part of common household practice. One such combination is the use of castor oil and baking soda, a duo often prescribed by old-time doctors for a variety of ailments. The unique properties of both castor oil and baking soda make them effective in treating certain conditions, with anecdotal evidence supporting their use in traditional healing. Here's a look at 14 diseases that this age-old remedy was used to treat. 1. Arthritis and joint pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it effective in soothing sore joints and muscles. Old doctors used to recommend castor oil massages for those suffering from arthritis. To boost the effect, baking soda would be applied topically to reduce localized acidity that exacerbates joint discomfort. How it works? Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which reduces inflammation, while baking soda's alkalizing nature helps neutralize acids contributing to pain. 2. Skin infections. Baking soda's antibacterial and antifungal properties, combined with castor oil's ability to moisturize and heal wounds, made this mixture a common treatment for skin infections and minor wounds. How it works? The antibacterial qualities of both ingredients helped kill bacteria and accelerate healing while keeping the skin hydrated. 3. Detoxifying the liver. One old folk practice involved using castor oil packs placed over the liver area to aid detoxification, believed to stimulate bile production and support liver function. Some recipes suggested adding baking soda to castor oil packs to amplify the detox effect. How it works? Castor oil increases circulation and promotes lymphatic drainage, while baking soda may help alkalize the body, reducing liver stress. 4. Digestive problems. Both castor oil and baking soda were used as a gentle digestive aid. Castor oil acts as a natural laxative, while baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, providing relief from indigestion, bloating, and heartburn. How it works? Castor oil stimulates bowel movements, and baking soda relieves acid reflux by balancing the stomach's pH. 5. Constipation. For centuries, castor oil has been known as a strong natural laxative. Old-time doctors often suggested a combination of castor oil ingestion with a pinch of baking soda to enhance the effect and ease chronic constipation. How it works? Castor oil increases bowel movement due to its stimulating effect on the intestines, and baking soda ensures proper pH balance, improving digestion. 6. Cold and congestion relief. To relieve chest congestion and cold symptoms, old doctors applied a combination of warm castor oil and baking soda to the chest as a soothing poultice. This was believed to draw out toxins and reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. How it works? Castor oil helps with lymphatic drainage, reducing mucus buildup, while baking soda creates an alkaline environment that reduces irritation. 7. Sore throat and tonsillitis. Gargling with warm water, baking soda, and castor oil was an old remedy for a sore throat. The combination worked to soothe inflammation, reduce bacteria, and promote healing. How it works? Baking soda neutralizes the acidity in the throat, which relieves irritation, while castor oil coats and soothes the inflamed tissue. 8. Wound healing and bruising. Castor oil's ability to penetrate deep into tissues was believed to help reduce bruising and accelerate wound healing. The addition of baking soda was thought to reduce swelling and help disinfect the area. How it works? The antimicrobial properties of castor oil, coupled with baking soda's alkalizing effect, reduced infection risk and promoted faster healing. 9. Acne and skin blemishes. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of castor oil combined with the exfoliating nature of baking soda made this mixture a go-to remedy for acne and other skin blemishes. How it works? Castor oil helps kill bacteria and moisturizes the skin, while baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant, clearing pores. 10. Toenail fungus. Toenail fungus was often treated with a paste made of castor oil and baking soda applied directly to the affected nail. This mixture helped kill the fungus and repair damaged nail tissue. How it works? Castor oil's antifungal properties, along with baking soda's ability to create an alkaline environment, discourage fungal growth. 11. Hair and scalp health. Old doctors used castor oil to promote hair growth and treat dry scalps. By combining it with baking soda, the mixture helped exfoliate dead skin cells and reduce scalp inflammation. How it works. Castor oil provides deep nourishment and stimulates hair follicles, while baking soda gently cleanses the scalp, preventing dandruff and flakiness. 12. Eczema and psoriasis. For inflammatory skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, castor oil was applied to soothe the skin, while baking soda helped reduce the itchiness and redness. How it works. Castor oil's moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties calm the skin, while baking soda's alkalizing effect helps reduce irritation and inflammation. 13. Foot calluses and corns. Castor oil and baking soda were applied to soften hardened skin and treat painful foot calluses and corns. This remedy helped reduce discomfort and promoted softer, smoother skin. How it works. Castor oil softens the rough skin, and baking soda exfoliates dead skin, making it easier to remove calluses. 14. Chronic fatigue and general weakness. Some old doctors suggested using castor oil packs to stimulate the lymphatic system, believing it helped flush toxins that contributed to fatigue and weakness. Baking soda was used internally to balance pH levels, helping the body regain energy. How it works. Castor oil enhances lymphatic flow, improving detoxification, and baking soda helps restore the body's acid-base balance, reducing fatigue. While modern medicine has largely replaced many of these old remedies with pharmaceuticals, castor oil and baking soda continue to be praised for their natural, effective treatment options. From soothing joint pain and healing wounds to improving skin conditions and digestive health, this simple combination provides a wide range of benefits that were appreciated by generations past. However, it's always wise to consult a doctor before trying any traditional remedy, as every individual's health needs are unique. This age-old treatment serves as a reminder that some of the best solutions often come from nature's medicine cabinet.